Alright, good morning, guys. Let's get in here. Let's get the breakdown. It is 9:23, 8:23 my time. I'm in Central, but let me break down what I'm seeing. So let me minimize this. Gotta open Top Step back over here. Let me just mark out a couple things on my Top Step real quick, guys. Alright, that's perfect. 4 cons, everything's copy traded. Okay, perfect. Connected. Alright. Let me swap this to 4. Let's go to the 5-minute. Looking kind of crazy. So the first thing I like to do in the morning, guys, if you're new here, but if you've been here, you know what I did. 9:30, mark that out. 9:50, do the same thing on ES. So far, it looks pretty choppy. Looks like we've just been chopping up, which gives me a good reason to want shorts to the downtime. Like this is, trend line liquidity right here. So it's just a prominent low too. 4, that's Asia London session low. And then Asia session, where do we open? All the way down here. Yep, open, came down, swept us out. So I'm just gonna mark this out. Got this. Asia down here. Really what I like to see the upside is we have swept this out, haven't we? We did barely, and we haven't swept that exact high out on ES yet. Could be an SMT form in here. Make some trend line liquidity. We have 15-minute highs here as a target. Those are equal-ish highs. Go to the 1 hour, check this out. We're in this gap here. It's 1 hour high. See, I like this trade even more because we got a gap resting below it. That makes it even better, and same with ES. ES is actually perfectly lined up with the gap. Shorts are looking good to me. I'm liking shorts. Let's see, how far is that? 140. Okay, that's reasonable. As long as, ideally, we are pushing up pretty good. What does the 4 hour look like? I guess if we wanted to tap this gap all the way up here. Just mark a couple of these things out. 2. I really like shorts down to at least this area. And then like if this happens early market open, then I'm gonna look for longs to go higher. Because that's a great place for us to continue higher. Come down, come down, take out this low, tap into this, and then rally. So I kind of got 2 trade ideas. If I can catch shorts down, wonderful. But if not, that's kind of what I'm looking for. We will see what happens. All right, guys, I'm going to have to boost out. That was my bias for now. I'm going to have to boost out a quick little poop. So, be right back. All right, boys. Daddy's home. But this is looking... Let's see. Let me edit this real quick. 5, 5. Save. Trade, everything looks good. Okay. This is kind of what I was wanting. I want to see us come down, sweep this, and then possibly go higher. Is my idea. Oh, but basically, it's a lot of sitting. So sitting weight. ES has. I mean, I think this is like a 15-minute high here. I don't really see any reason for us not to just flood. Yep, here we go, flooding. Dang. I'm about to just start shorting market open. It's whatever my trade idea is because it plays out. But if we can get a strong reaction off this low, come down here, sweep this low, take a long, whatever the stop is. This is my target. Absolute banger. Unless we want to come all the way down here and take this, would be the only other reasonable TP. Would be this, because you got this leg, which formed, you know, this for value gap, and then you got another leg that formed another little hourly down here. Swap some of the liquidity. That's not enough to go higher, in my opinion. I mean, you got that small IFVG right there. What's this? It's a pretty crazy trade. It is ripping right now. Holy, it's ripping. Is that a 5-minute retrace into here? Gonna be real patient. If I get no trades there, I get no trades there. I mean, if anything, we're just making more, liquidity to the downside here. But I will say I did expect if it pushed down here to just, like, I don't think we should have hesitated. But maybe ES wants to come take this high, and then we'll start rotating downwards. Oh, we're in a daily gap. Interesting. What's equilibrium of this gap? Right on that line? I guess just kind of see what it does. We got a little 1-minute IFVG here. We took out at least this 15-minute on ES. ES is pushing towards those highs here. Shoot. this would be kind of big stops, wouldn't it? It's a little over a 1-to-1. That ain't a bad play. But it's still a little early. Honestly, I kind of want to wait for longs. Like we took a 1 hour low out. Took a 1 hour low. Good reaction. I don't know. I feel like this is a good short here. To equal into that 1.6. Interesting. I'd like to see what price does here. This would be a 70-point stop, so I did take it, it'd be 3 cons. S&T. What if we inverse this? Let me put targets there. Part of me wants to front run this. It's kind of hesitating. Look, if we want to go higher, let's inverse this. I'm taking longs. About to take longs. Buying right there. So limit right there. Honestly, in between those, 900. Bingo. Stop right there. TP at 900. We should just rip. Got this daily gap I would like to see us fill. That's all I want, equilibrium with this gap. A little before it. We are ripping. Let's catch 100. Up 400. Pretty good. Should just rip up in this gap. Bananas. Here we go. Should just take off. Let's take it at this 15-minute high, 874. That's a good number. 25. Okay, that's where my TP is. Just keep ripping. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Let me make a little TikTok here.
Trading isn't just a skill, it's a path to total freedom. You're learning how to make money without begging. Trading.
To the moon, to the moon. To the moon, here we go. We're at 2R now, so I'm just gonna move my stops to break even. We're at more than 2R. I mean, it's just ripping. Bro, shut up, phone. Moving stops to break even. I'm up way too much to not move my stops to break even. Daily should just keep going. What if I hold these ones to that daily gap? I might hold on top step to the daily equilibrium. We're ripping. I'm gonna sell 3 though. Once we get up there. Alright, half my account sold. Whoa, we are up a lot of money. We are breaded. One more rip. Just keep ripping. We're close to getting hit TP. We're getting close. We're up a lot of money right now. We are up a lot of money. I'm probably going to sell right there. On this account, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell right there. We're up so much. I'm not getting greedy. I was up a ton of money on that account because we are in this daily gap. Top step, I might hold until that new week opening. I'm going to sell 3. And then I'm going to hold until that gap. So that equilibrium of the daily gap. That's the trade I'm taking today, guys. Just not, we can easily reverse from there. Just not holding that out. Got 10 accounts are like literally 1 day away from being passed. My Tradeify accounts, I need to make another 1,000, and then I built a buffer, so then everything over that is my money. And then my Alpha Future Prime accounts, I mean, they're breaded up right now. They're pretty close to getting a $15,000 payout. And then my live account, I made $1,700 today. And yeah, guys, I'm floating, a band on my Top Step accounts. So just going to hold these out, let this play out. Thank y'all for, staying on the live here and watching this. This is kind of, my analysis for the day. I do like us going all the way up in here, but I could easily see price coming back down and just chopping in this big daily gap and not really taking this out and getting stopped out at break even. I just don't want to be greedy here. I'm already so much in profit. I mean, I caught an amazing entry. Got in right here, caught like 100 something points. Like, that's plenty for me. That's a lot of money. 2R, good day, solid day, in and out, just like that. Not really going to sit on here and force anything. So, all right, guys, that's the trade I took today. We swept. The reason behind it, I did want shorts, but we swept this 1 hour low. ES didn't. That's an SMT. ES had good draws to the upside, and then we also had that monster daily gap to get price into. So that was the trade idea. That's what I took and why I took it. And I'm going to stay in my Top Step accounts until that gap, and I'll let y'all know on TikTok if that plays out. But secured 600 across all 5 of those as well. So here's the proof on my accounts. If y'all can see that, 25,000. Live account made 1,700, so that's money I can literally put in my pocket right now. Tradeify, on my 5 accounts, I made around 1,000 per. Alpha Futures, premium accounts, I made about 1,000 per on those as well. Those are passed. And then My Funny Futures and Lucid Trading are the 10 I'm adding. And I made 1,500 today on all those. So 1 more day, and all those will be passed. And then I'll be adding 10 more accounts to my stack. So, and I'm getting the buffer up now. So I'm basically, I got basically my drawdown made. Like I'm making my buffer, so then I can actually start just making money every single day. So thank y'all for watching this video. Hopefully this helps. You're basically seeing me trade live. This is every single thought that's going through my head, and you're seeing my entries when I'm entering. So hopefully this helps a little more than just like the trade recaps. And then also Discord is going to be up in July. The month of June, I'm going on vacation the whole month with my wife. She gets off of school for that month, so we're just going to go travel and have a good time. I'll be posting TikToks. I'll probably be doing trade recaps on my MacBook during this time, and I might not be trading as consistently, but if I do take a trade, I will let you know, but I will be spamming on TikTok. So like you will know what I'm doing, but just saying trading wise, not as crazy. That's why I didn't start the Discord yet, because I don't want to make y'all pay for something where I can't be with y'all 4 to 5 hours every single day. Because I really want, one of my big goals for by 2027 is to make 10 to change 20 of y'all's lives, right? I know the statistic, like 99% of people fail, and I could give you everything in the world. I could give you all my knowledge and it wouldn't make you profitable, right? That's up to you. So I don't want to set such a goal that's almost impossible. Like I can't make everyone profitable. But what I will do is give you everything I have in my ability to then make you profitable, right? Like I'm going to give you all the knowledge, all the expertise, everything I know to then help you the best way possible, right? And I want to be able to put in enough time to actually make that possible. So yeah, guys, hopefully y'all have a good one. Good luck on your trading. Can't wait to be able to be y'all's mentor and help you with your trading career. So y'all have a good one. God bless.